have a delivery. Actually, we have a big box, which is a big delivery, and we also have another big delivery, which is down the back of the shed.
Fairly big delivery down there, yeah. And to be honest, in Dave Egan style, we know nothing about what's going on here.
But David, I do think you're excited to jump right into this one.
Oh yeah. Now in fairness, I do love a PS13.
What PS13?
Huh?
I haven't told them what the big package is yet.
Oh shit, that down there.
So, here is Dave Egan's PS13. Currently we know absolutely nothing of what we're doing to it.
No one. Does Dave even know?
I don't know.
It could be a fucking there's a gift. What the fuck is
A
that?
gift, yeah, maybe we have to keep it there.
John, you can tell
Thanks for the care, Dave.
You can tell by that primer that was just gonna be fucking shite. Oh. Fucking hell.
When Wayne said where it's from, yeah, that's enough.
I'd
Yeah,
say probably the best thing to do with this is leave it in the back of the
I quite like them bumpers on it.
To be honest, I love those bumpers on it.
Yeah, so full kit, I presume, is going onto the car. We have not one, two sets of wings.
Yeah.
So whatever's going on there.
No, yeah, whatever the fuck.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is shite.
David's not so excited to jump right into this anymore.
Oh my god, that's the fucking same. Oh Jesus. And I'm looking at those wings and I had... You might remember the wings of the S13.
Oh, yeah, well, let's hope it's these wings. Oh, whoa!
What's the bumper?
That looks like your wing.
Huh?
Looks like your wing.
My wing there.
Yeah.
These are the same as my wings. That's why I'm worried. It's kind of people take it out and say, they look... Oh my god, look at the waves of that. Can you actually see that there?
You can't really see it on camera.
Oh
But
my
shit.
god.
So let's put them back in the box and let's move on to these maybe.
Yeah, we do these. Because rather than paint that. Look at that.
Hey, they've obviously been fitted to a car before, which kind of gives us some hope though. That they
Yeah.
might be a little bit better.
Probably have fucking
Is
something
there any
else.
brand on the back of them? No.
They're 75mm, no names. No, they aren't wide now, to be fair. I was going to test up against the car.
They are wide. We don't know if the quarters are going to be wide enough for the car.
I look at the air. They look like the same as quarters as I have, 75mm. And I know 75mm is 3 inches, and I was told 3 inches about that size. So maybe they will be good enough. I say the arch when we go to there.
Do you reckon, yeah?
I don't know.
I don't know. I reckon we'll find out soon though. I don't think it's the night to be checking.
I'm not fucking checking anyway.
Yeah. I'd love to know what the story is with the original cut in the front wing. Just don't know where they're going with it though.
It's very
Very
exuberant.
I like the way they're going, like it's... Jeez David, she's tidy in there.
It's very tight.
The battery must be in the trunk.
They've done a battery delete. It has no batteries at all. It's actually LPG.
Oh, gee. Yeah, alright, cool, thanks.
The air.
Very sporty.
Very, very sporty. She's very tidy under there.
Yeah,
Oh, the fucking wrinkle paint now.
I do like the wrinkle paint. Just makes everything just look... If it's in shite, it'll make it look very good.
We'll wrinkle paint the kit.
Yeah, so I suppose we'll get stuck into this in the next few days.
Right, I'm gonna need to find myself before I start this one. Morning, lads. I was actually in a few minutes here now, and I was expecting Darren and Craig and all to be here, but wouldn't you know they're not. 8 o'clock, me bollocks. So, while I'm waiting for them, I think I'll show you what we're doing here today. Today we are starting on Dave's PS13. We already showed you the kit and all the other day. I don't even know where to start, Yoke. I suppose we'll start by getting Darren's Porsche out of the shed and getting this in, open stands, and stripping her down. Start to fit some of this, but not that. We're gonna wait now and we're gonna make a show of these lads coming in. I'm guessing they'll be here soon. But the lazy bastards probably won't. The lad that's not even working today is in before all the workers.
Okay, that's the way I operate.
Look at this, huh? The man only starting to build a house and he's around the yard.
I come over to get a shovel.
Oh, fuck's sake. I don't want to help with this thing, no? And inside YouTube.
Hi YouTube. Where's Richard?
Richard's not in. I don't even think Richard's coming in today. Okay, bye. Look at this shit, no? Fuck's sake.
The first fucking time he's there and he picks the camera.
Look at this. I'm in here. I'm in recording the last half an hour here I am with everything going on.
Where's Richard?
Richard's not in yet.
Oh, well, he's coming, is he?
He might be.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, fuck's sake, 8 o'clock in bollocks. I can stand here like a fucking spare tit I am.
Oh, it's 8:06.
Yeah.
Apologies, I'll stay till 3:06.
You fucking want it. Right.
Right, what's the plan?
Plan is, I forgot to get the battery for your Porsche. So, I'm guessing we're doing this up in the Porsche shed.
Yeah.
So, we need to get the Porsche out of there. I'm gonna pull the wings and bumper off this first, though, because you can't actually turn the wheels.
Alright, so this is your... So Dave wants this to be able to do that.
Yeah, because she's a little bit tight there. She's a little bit tight there.
Okay. What about up here?
Up there, we'll have to do a little bit of modification.
A bit of a nip and tuck. Hey.
Yeah, something like that. So, yeah.
Right. Well, okay, I'm gonna nip and tuck that. And I'm just gonna sell out.
Yeah, right. Bye, YouTube.
Time do you call this, Craig?
8:26.
8:26.
Car's nearly finished.
Huh?
Look, he hasn't got too far, has he?
Fuck's sake, I'm here all morning with him, hey. Huh? Flat out I am. Hey. Look, he only comes in, he kicks all your fucking nuts and bolts across the fucking floor.
Yeah, lucky enough we'll be putting fancy new ones on.
Right, okay, so 6-8 weeks ago, Craig, yeah? No, remember how long ago was it since you fucked up my Super then? 4 weeks? 5 weeks?
Yeah, probably 5 or 6 weeks there, yeah.
So she's sitting there and we don't know what's wrong with her. So Craig has gone out now.
The top of one of the spark plugs is missing.
Yeah.
So, where that is unexplained, David, isn't that right?
It probably came out the exhaust already.
So we're gonna throw 6 new plugs in and see what they're doing.
Yeah, we're all going, geez, it's going to cost thousands and thousands. Hopefully today it'll cost like €60. Huh? Hey. Oh yeah, in David's time, yeah, hey, €65. Yeah. Right. I'm shooting around, okay? I'll be back in an hour, so I want to see big progress, right?
Right.
Okay, I'm cameraman for the day.
She wouldn't like it.
No.
We get this running, we're going to the Driftgames Bash on the weekend, so see us there.
Yeah,
We're the Supra.
It's super, yeah.
Wearing your hole. Use our barred from driving my fucking cars. Look at that one. Waiting fucking for waiting for a new drive shaft that I bought off Wish.
No! Did you actually buy it yet?
I bought it.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, but it said it'd be here like kind of the end of the year sometime. Huh?
When I sent you the link, it said it'd be here 21st of December.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Off Wish?
No, fucking eBay.
You don't fucking get fucking things off Wish.
You wouldn't know.
eBay Germany.
Here, go over and get it. Hey, the old shaft. Huh? So Craig said he took his foot off the clutch really gently.
I said I took my foot off the car.
There she is, huh? Twisted like fuck. I'm driving that car 3 years now, yeah? And I have given that car a bit of an old
You set me up for a disaster.
kicky the back of it, or Audi, hey.
I know dinner in a bugger.
Yeah, you had the fucking on track for me,
I did not, actually.
huh? You know?
I still didn't break it.
No.
I
So,
know that car's never really broken you.
that was a great car.
Never broke it, you said it.
That car's, it's for sale, but if it doesn't sell, I don't really give a shit. Because it looks fucking fabulous in the yard. Dave, did you get a battery for the Porsche?
Yes, we did.
Did she start firing up and yeah?
Yeah, it's not a water now, yeah.
Right, but I've just arrived back to the chaps here, and they forgot to pick the fucking camera up.
Don't know. You're busy to pick the fucking camera up.
Basically, pal, I would have done that instead of fucking breakfast. Hey, what's she fitting like? No, don't be too honest.
Wings are shit.
Alrighty.
Shit. Quarters are shit.
What make is the kit?
Origin level.
Okay, so
Oh,
big,
yeah.
big shout out to Origin Labo, yeah. You know, feel free if you want to sponsor us. Yeah, hey.
Well, in fairness, I need to have the Origin level kit in my car as well. Exact same quarters and wings.
It's a savage looking kit. It's just there's always a bit of work to it. But look, coming out of the background, there's Richard. Huh? Always ready to give a hand and tackle the shitey jobs, huh?
The mighty Richard.
Rick, what's your opinion on the front wing here now?
Absolutely terrible.
Is it? Well, you could have lied a bit.
No, it's not. I'm an honest person.
Oh, stop. She is pretty cool. What kit's on his other fucking PS13?
Better one than this.
Spirit Re or Spirit Roy, whatever you call it. That's why it's a Spirit Roy car.
Okay. So, can this work with those wheels, Dave? The wheels are a bit big.
Well,
Look at the wheel at the back of it.
I need the standard or the nuts out of the wings, didn't it?
the Allen key was in a bag. And the one to call it. Oh, the Allen key is actually very long. There's a few in there.
Oh, I need a fucking can.
Ah, jeez, they're only on the fucking first side.
What were we saying there?
Don't know. You started talking really sensible then you did.
What were we talking about? What did you ask me?
Oh, the wheels. Will the wheels fit?
Oh yeah, well I had the wheels. I had the arms pulled all the way forward.
Okay.
And I was able to get full lock.
Ow. Without the kit?
Without the kit, yeah.
Okay, well that's good.
So yeah, well it's nearly, she'll need a little bit of finessing in the tubes, in the back of the arms. Then the front.
Stop laughing, David.
I'm actually just thinking there, I don't know how the front's gonna work. Because of the way the wings are in this.
Stop it, let's be serious, Rick. Hey?
No, he is being serious.
Yeah, no, because my bumper, the kit on the S13 would only go up to like around there. So I was able to cut the bumper all the way up and around.
Yeah.
Whereas this, I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen here. Probably won't know until we fucking do it.
Yeah, trial and error.
Look at the fucking width of the wheels on the back.
Oh, yeah.
It'd be deep eating now.
You wide. What weight are those backings?
13J. I lost a fiver to Rick in them.
They were 13J, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, David,
Yeah.
okay, don't forget the fucking wheels on my 335.
Yeah, they're 14.
40.
Yeah.
Fucking big wheels, huh? They look huge.
John,
You
you
have to say
forget.
they're big wheels, don't you?
What?
Tiny cock.
Stop it! Right.
I was
Big
gonna
wheels
say
means
that,
big
yeah.
tires.
I
Hey.
was actually going to say small penis.
You know what they say about little Miatas?
So,
Huh?
he was more like
Let's-
accurate. Get to the point.
Let's stop talking about chickens and hens and cocks, right? Anyway, I'll be back in a while for a bit of a progress report.
To be fair, there's not been an awful lot of progress.
Yeah.
It just doesn't
Well,
look
that
like it.
didn't fit the car
No.
earlier. It fits it now, but really poorly. So,
Hey, Rick, I'll tell you one thing, hey, yeah? A blind man and a galloping horse wouldn't see it.
And
he probably would.
even down to, I have ribbon nuts and all these.
Yeah?
And because I was going off the original holes from the old kit, so then I had to match up all the holes. It was a fucking pain to hole now, if I'm honest. And one ribbon spun me as well that I'm not very happy about.
Well, all I'm going to say is, right, hey, this car was dropped down during the week for us to give him a price on it, yeah? Lads, I think you're after fucking overstepping the mark here a bit.
No,
Sorry, Dave. 10 grand.
this man.
Yeah?
I'll stick to the budget on it.
Fucking budget's out the fucking window, hey. Here, you still have to fucking sell that car. Huh?
Yeah. Jesus, we sold.
Anyway, lads, good luck to you.